this guy. I agree.
So, do we have full audience now?
No, no, not yet. Nowhere near. But I will start like on our scheduled time. It's okay. Now I think we are
At
going
least
to
you can
start.
tell the offer.
Hello, auntie. Thanks, Prerna, for bringing your mom-in-law.
Mom-in-law.
Hi, auntie.
Thank you.
Okay. Great.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay.
Yes,
So
This is truly an extended Lilo family, yeah, with all mom-in-laws, mothers, and everybody, children, everybody joining in, yeah.
right. So I'm gonna get started now. Take a second. Okay. Right. So this is my little speech. Please bear with me while I'm saying it. Just wanted to say thanks to everyone for being here. Times have been very tough for everybody. We have all been struggling, but I know through this fun night and fundraising night, we'll be able to feed a lot of people. Each meal usually costs approximately around 30 rupees. And knowing the figures which we have actually collected today, I'm very happy to know that we'll be feeding quite a few people through this platform. So it's really great. I just wanted to say thank you to a lot of people here. Just bear with me. So our cash sponsors, Tooth and Implants, Dr. Deepti, thank you so much. Bloomingdale's Preschool, thank you, Ruchi. Basecamp Infra Consultants, thank you, Kalan Siddharth. Talbrum, Vinay Dayal, the HR software. PR Legal Associates, thank you, Pulkit. And Eastern Medicals, thank you, Ankit, for that. And also our gift sponsors, Spera Solutions, Harshita, Arts and Craftsy, Anita Agrawal, Saison Pollution, Monica Chadda and Ankur, Bittersweet Palette, Hamari Baurani Palak, Heroes, of course, Simran, Indian Pest Control, thank you, Astha, Tea Saga, thank you so much, Sachi, Sweet Nothings, Apurva, Miraki, that's myself. मेरा नाम भी डाल दिया. Nawabin Nizam, Hina, Hill Zone and Glamour Zone, thank you, Simran, and DG Hive, Swapnil Chaudhary. Thank you so much for the gifts for today. And we have a bumper prize from Tushar Kohli from P. Kohli and Company. It's a bumper mystery prize. We'll be announcing it later today. And thank you. I wanted to just take this opportunity to say thank you to each one of you who were behind the scenes. You worked with me in the last 3 days. We worked like day and night and managed to get this little event together and did a lot actually in this short amount of time. So thank you, Astha, Harshita, Pulkit, Monica, Shashwati, Kalan Siddharth, Simran, and of course my team Nimisha and Mansi who helped me out here. If I missed anybody's name, I really apologize. This is the list which I have. So wanted to say thank you to each one of you. And so now the things are done, the formal part is done. So it's all fun from here on. Funds are collected, formalities are done. So I will pass the baton to Astha Mathur, who will be the host for the evening, and Kalan Siddharth, who is the co-host. Both of them are co-hosting for the evening. And
and now, thank you, Surbhi. This has been a fantastic platform. I think to the fundraiser that we are doing today, I think it is a beautiful, beautiful gesture. All of us are going through troubled times and mushkil waqt commando sakt, and this is what the thing is. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. And to be emotionally sensitive and be empathetic to everyone in society, that is what sets us apart from the others. And this fundraiser that we're doing is for a fantastic cause. And I am proud to be part of the platform that is LinkedIn Local, which is connecting all of us and bringing all of us together to actually do a fantastic fundraiser. I am so excited and happy to see the kind of participation that has been there. There has been a huge inflow of both funds and gifts, and we're going to have a lot of fun doing it also. And I love that tagline which was there in the advertisement kind of creative that was also made, fun-d. So yes, we're going to have a little bit of fun doing all this fundraiser also together, all of us. So a huge, let's all have a clap icon for Surbhi Srivastava for actually bringing this possible and getting us all together so that we can make a little bit of difference to society. And having said that, the sponsorships and the funding is still open. And as we continue this program and we continue this event, and when we have down one or two more, I hope everybody is having it. It was one of the compulsory activities to be done. Aapka video on hona chahiye, and you should be carrying a drink with you. These are the only two prerequisites for today evening. So as we down a couple of bit more, we should get a little bit generous with our purse strings, and we should be able to contribute some more. There has been a huge response, and fantastic. So to continue in that vein, what we are going to do today, and what is very exciting, is the number of tickets that have been purchased by everybody. We will be hosting a fundraiser tombola today. And in this fundraiser tombola, as Surbhi is already brought out in a video, the entire money that is being collected is going to the charitable fund that we have been catering for, where people will get food to eat. And what prizes that we are going to give here is all prizes that have been sponsored by our lovely Lilo members. So now when we get down to actually talking about what these prizes are and what we are playing for today, I hope everybody has got their tickets ready. Pulkit Rajpal is going to be the back end, where you will be sharing your tickets with him once you are able to claim a prize. We have lots and lots and a few lots more of prizes here today to be won in this tombola round. So we have some standard prizes which are there, but lots of them. So I'll just read out the prizes for the benefit of everybody. We have the top line, the center line, the bottom line, top line, center line. If any prize, if you're not understanding, so you can always just in the chat box also. So top line, center line, bottom line are the easy ones. Then we have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner is breakfast is basically the first three columns of your ticket. That is numbers from 1 to 29. Lunch is the next three columns. That is numbers 30 to 59. And dinner is the last three columns. That is numbers 60 to 90. So that is breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So first three columns is breakfast. The center three columns are lunch, and the last three columns are dinner. After that, we have bamboo. Bamboo is the center number of each line. Then we have corners. Corners is the first digit and the last digit of the first line, and the first digit and the last digit of the bottom line. And then we have king's corner and queen's corner. Queen's corner is the first number of each line. King's corner is the last number of each line. Then we have early 7, that is on one single ticket. The person who is able to cut 7 numbers the quickest, that is known as early 7 or Jaldi 7. And then we have 3 full houses, house 1, house 2, and house 3, which we will be giving them some names as the evening progresses. So are there any doubts?
The King's Corner and Queen wala, Siddharth ji?
Yeah, so the Queen's Corner is the first number of each line. That is the leftmost numbers that you will cut. Pehla number of the top line, the pehla number of the center line, and the pehla number of the bottom line. So this is the that is the left hand side, and the King's Corner is the right hand side. That is the last number of the first line, the last number of the middle line, and the last number of the bottom line. So the why it is known as king and queen is that traditionally the lady is always supposed to be walking on the left of the gentleman, and why that is so is because the king or the knight is supposed to have his sword in the right hand side. So that is why the right hand side is the sword hand. So the right hand side is the king's corner and the left hand side is your queen's corner. So
ladies are always right.
Siddharth,
Ladies first. Actually, ladies first.
yeah, that also. Anyway,
Colonel साहब,
भाई सब लोग म्यूट हो जाओ, अभी अपना टाइम आया हुआ है.
Colonel,
breakfast,
yeah.
one second. One by one. Center number.
Bamboo is the center number of each line.
Okay.
Center number of each line. Okay.
Yeah, so अगर आप देखेंगे तो basically you have 6 numbers in each line. So the third number of each line would become your bamboo.
5 numbers in each line.
Five.
Sorry, 5 numbers.
Yeah.
5 numbers. So the third number on each line.
So it will be in one ticket and all the tickets.
One ticket. The price is on a single ticket.
Siddharth want to ask something.
Yes, Roma ji.
Corner and queen corner, so you have to like consider each corner of each line, or it's like individually.
Individual. देखिए, एक ticket is an individual. One ticket is an individual entity. If you have 10 tickets, if you get on any one ticket, you can claim it.
No, Siddharth, I'm asking कि तीनों left और तीनों right कटने चाहिए ना to claim it.
Yes, yes,
Queen's,
yes.
No. Queen's corner is only the leftmost ones.
Yes, the 3 numbers in the front
No, no,
are the
no,
keys, so
left.
it should be cut. Yes.
Yes. And the king's corner is the extreme last. of
3
the
numbers.
So bamboo has 3 numbers. Bamboo will have 3 numbers.
Bamboo has got 3 numbers. That is your center number
middle
of each line.
Middle line.
Please.
Thanks.
I will repeat the prizes once again. Top line, center line, bottom line, breakfast, lunch, dinner, bamboo, corners. Corners is the first number of the top line, last number of the top line, first number of the bottom line, and last number of the bottom line. इसमें center line का कोई role नहीं है. Then you have King's Corner, early 7, and the 3 houses.
Sir, bamboo
Vikas,
is
can
not
you
the
please
center number of each line. It is only the center number of one ticket. Each ticket is only the center number. That is, for example, I have 47 in center.
No,
the
ma'am.
center number of one ticket. That is bamboo.
No. When we are talking about prizes, we are only talking about one ticket. Somebody has got 1 ticket, somebody has 10 tickets, so 10 tickets are 1111. आपका 10 है. एक ticket.
In one ticket only one bamboo number will come, na? In one.
No. Let me explain. Bamboo is not one number. Bamboo is 3 numbers. That is center number of the top line, center number of the middle line, and center number of the bottom line. तो bamboo बनता है, vertical line आपका बनेगा. It need not be vertical because वो थोड़ा
numbers are like, yes.
थोड़ा displaced हो सकता है. ये वाली चीज है.
So we are taking one ticket at a time.
Where are we supposed to share this?
You can play all 10 tickets. जिस पे आपको प्राइज मिलेगा आप उस पे क्लेम कर लीजिएगा.
Wait, Dr. Diti, just
Breakfast, lunch, dinner कर दीजिए एक बार. Once we claim a prize, I'm sorry. So once we claim a prize, we have to unmute ourselves and tell.
Yeah, I'll just come to that.
will update. Let me just clear all the rules of the game. Colonel साहब आप पहले game समझा दीजिए. जो game वाला part है that I will explain.
Okay, ठीक है. So are you?
एक बार breakfast, lunch and dinner. हाँ, वो चाहिए था.
Breakfast is the first 3 columns. That is your numbers 1 till 29.
1 to 29.
Yeah. Lunch is your next 3 columns. That is your numbers 30 to 59. And then dinner is your last 3 columns. That is your numbers 60 to 90. And for ease of everybody, I will be sharing the screen. और screen के ऊपर we'll have the tombola board, and उस board पे whichever number is going to be called out, it will be entered over there, so you can actually see it. And because we are in an online format, I can understand that claiming में थोड़ा बहुत हो सकता है up down, so we will deliberately go a little slow. We are not going to go very fast.
All right.
Pulkit, you want to tell some more the modalities of the game?
Yes. So guys, the chat will be disabled. You have to just mute. Once Colonel Saab will start announcing the numbers, I will able the chat. मतलब chat open कर दूंगा मैं. जब भी जिसको claim करना हो, they have to write yes. All right. Whenever you have to claim, you have to write yes. And I'm writing down my mobile number. आप लोग अभी सेव कर लीजिए. जब आप yes लिख देंगे तो अपने टिकट को जो भी आप क्लेम करें उसकी फोटो खींच के मेरे को व्हाट्सएप करेंगे. Then only the claim will be a valid claim. So here goes my number. I would request no one to write anything on chat box right now.
और हमसे बोल रही थी हमें खेलना नहीं आता है.
नहीं, मुझे नहीं आता, वो तो बस नंबर काटना था. सो आई
ये सबसे अच्छा था, नंबर काटते चले गए.
ऐसे ये धुरंधर लोग ऐसे ही होते हैं.
All right. I'll just announce the list of winners. Queen's Corner goes to, and I would request everyone to just clap. Queen's Corner goes to Ruchi ji. King's Corner goes to Munir ji. हंस के खुशी बांटो. Early 7 goes to Rachita ji. Middle line goes to our Divars bhai Ankit. Top line goes to Sumit bhaiya. Bottom line goes to Dr. Kirti. Dinner goes to Shilpa. Bamboo goes to Tanya Sani ji. नीता जी को क्या मिला था? हाँ, कॉर्नर कोपचा मिला था उनको, कोपचा. Lunch go. Breakfast goes to Simran. House 1 goes to Munish. House 2 goes to Dr. Prerna. House goes to Sanita. कर्नल साहब मेरे ख्याल से prizes और भी हैं तो एक house और बनता है.
You know, actually, we can do a shortcut for that because it's already 2:30 now, and थोड़ा सा time उसमें वही 2 o'clock से आधा घंटा और हो चुका है, तो मामला थोड़ा क्लियर है. तो you have an opportunity, like